Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by mapping real inputs and the early output you need. This is where Clay earns its keep. Connect your CRM, LinkedIn, or a CSV so data flows in. Once done, create a new workspace and add a simple flow that pulls first-party records. Make sure to set a clear goal, MQLs per day or meetings booked, so filters and deduping have purpose. Don't overbuild, get a minimal pipeline running and verify sample records immediately. Now you enrich and refine. Use Clay to append emails, company size, and technographics so you can prioritize targets by fit. Then apply filters, geography, title keywords, recent funding, or activity to narrow to high-probability prospects. Once filtered, set throttles and dedupe rules so you don't spam contacts. This protects deliverability and reputation. Also define cadence for outreach and handoffs to sales. As you build these middle steps, test on a 10-20 record sample to validate outcomes. Finish by activating the flow to your chosen channel, email sequences, CRM sync, or Slack alerts, and watch metrics closely. You should track delivery, open, and reply rates and conversions at each step so you can optimize. If things go wrong, sample failing records and examine enrichment fields, API limits, or filter logic. Most issues are bad matches or rate limiting. Make incremental fixes, rerun the small sample, and then scale. Keep a monitoring alert so you catch regressions fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.